portions of Windham, East Central Tolland, South Central Worcester, and Northwestern Providence counties through 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Hampton or near Windham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Mansfield, Windham, Plainfield, Willimantic, Chillingly, Webster, Southbridge, Burteville, Oxford, Busbridge, Charlton, Coventry, North Smithfield, Dudley, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Douglas, and Brooklyn. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid low-lying areas near small streams. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Connecticut and central Massachusetts.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Windham County in northern Connecticut, East Central Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Eastford, or 9 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Plainfield, Chillingly, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Burteville, Northbridge, Oxford, Busbridge, Millbury, Charlton, Dudley, Leicester, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Sutton, Douglas, and Brooklyn. The National Weather Service in Boston